This is Tamarook Charlie Haywood, and he's going to Anika, aren't you? Yes, you are. Say hi, Anika. You're going to go see Anika. Yes, you are. Good boy. Okay, we just woke him up, so he's a little bit sleepy. It's time to go to bed, isn't it, Charlie? Isn't it? It's time to go to bed. Look at those beautiful hazel eyes. Such a pretty boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. You're a very good boy. Are you sleepy, baby? That's Tamarook Charlie Haywood. One last one. Okay, let's go to bed.